For this video, I am going to teach you how you can integrate Gmail with Salesforce. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over to Salesforce and then just log into your account. After doing so, just locate this gear icon, which is located on the upper right part of your screen, and go to Advanced Setup. So once you are in the setup page, what you need to do is to go to the email section. Right here, just locate it on the left side bar of your screen, and under email, go to the email integration and sync. Once you are in here, this is what you should be able to see. So on this section right here, it says Gmail integration. So what you need to do here is to simply toggle that on, and then these sections will appear. So you also have an option if you want to toggle them on or turn them on. So it says for the first one right here, keep Gmail and Salesforce connected. So I'm just going to turn that on also. And it says right here that it lets users log into Salesforce from Gmail once and be remembered the next time they use Gmail integration. And when disabled, users need to log in each time their Salesforce session expires. After going through all of the informations right here, what you need to do next is to scroll up until you see this section. So after you enable this feature, it says right here that users or Google admins can get the Gmail integrations from Google. So you can just click onto this section right here and you'll be directed on this page. Just click confirm and then continue. So once you have done that, then you'll be directed to the Chrome Web Store. And this is the extension of Salesforce, which will allow you to integrate Salesforce with Gmail later on. So just add that to your Chrome, add extension. And once you have successfully added that, what you can do also is to pin that on your address bar. So just click onto it and then there you go. So once you have done that, you can now go to your Gmail. So going to my Gmail right now. And then once you are in here, what you can do is to click on to the Salesforce icon on your address bar and then log in to Salesforce. So by the way, before I continue, I just need to clarify something. So you can be able to, or you can only be able to do this process or to do this method if you are using your G Suite account. So make sure that the account that you're using for your Gmail and the account or the email account that you're using for Salesforce are the same. So after that, you just need to log into your account right here. So you can also use your custom domain if you want to do that. And you can locate your custom domain by going on to your Salesforce and then clicking on your profile. And then you'll be able to locate your domain there. So let us go back, click again your logo, and then log in to your Salesforce. And after doing all of those process and you have the administrative privileges for your domain, then you should be able to successfully integrate your Salesforce with your Gmail. But if you don't have the administrative privileges again for your domain, then contact your support or contact the party that manages your domain and ask them to give you the administrative privilege for your domain. So that's it for this video. That is how you can integrate your Gmail with your Salesforce. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.